This is Inez with me on the bass line and Miss Gonzalez on the melody. Remember, on the bass line, we repeat the first part, we repeat the second part, and then we go back, repeat the first part again, and repeat the second part. Holding your 1 on the D string.